Dude,
How much?
$100.
$100. Now I just gotta crunch it.
You gotta chew it and swallow it.
Oh.
Yeah. I mean, it's rotten.
Let me go grab my water.
$100.
Hey, I gave y'all the same hypothetical thing in the van.
Oh, it's allowed to?
Yeah.
Oh, I got my phone.
Let me see it.
Oh my goodness.
I got it in 4K.
Come on. Come
I
on.
hate y'all so much.
Come on.
It is moving.
$100. Come on. Video's going dead.
Yeah.
$100, guys.
I want to hear him
At least.
and swallow. Swallow.
Just hear the crunch.
Come on. Dude, you can do it.
Yes,
It's
sir.
Fear Factor, baby.
Yes, you got this.
Fear factor.
Come on, represent. Bug boys represent.
Man,
We don't just kill them, we eat them.
Derek got to eat termites like
Come on. Yeah, $20 for termites. That was a pile of termites. This is $100.
Good.
I hate y'all so
You're
much.
burning, man. You're burning my clock.
You ready?
Yep.
All right.
Swallow it.
What?
Swallow it.
You better drink some water.
Let it taste like bubble gum.
Actually, the flavor's actually, it's not even the flavor. It's kind of like the texture going from like a crunch to a soft. And then the eyes, as soon as the eyes like gushed,
That wasn't bad though.
and honestly, the flavor's not that
That
bad.
wasn't the eyes. It was the colon.
All right, let's do this termite, Joe.
Oh,